Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Uniabuja post-CTMA past questions. We'll be dealing with biology question 5. The random way genes recombine during meiosis and fertilization leads to A. Genetic variation, B. Phenotype, C. Genome, D. Genotype. Now, during meiosis and fertilization, now genetic materials. Now, when I say genetic materials, I'm talking about genes. Now, they combine in a random or irregular manner. Now, this manner is regarded as random or irregular manner in a way that, in the sense that different allele attach to different allele in a very random manner. So it cannot be predetermined. It's a process that is random, like I said, as it leads to formation of different organisms. Now, a particular allele or a particular genetic makeup from the man will match with an unknown specific type of the other one. Now, it's due to this random combination, different organisms with different colors are being given birth to. That's why you see parents give birth to children. The child might have maybe the face of the father and the height of the mother, the color of the dad, and the rest. Now, what it does, it brings about variation. Variation, now, this is the difference that exists amongst organisms. Now, this difference that exists among organisms, that is called variation, will actually be enhanced when there is independent assortment of genes, which is a random combination of genes to form different types of organisms. So our answer to this particular question is option A, genetic variation. And this is the answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.